Hello, people. This is Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies. I want to bring you this potential trading opportunity in the natural gas market. This may be the time to start paying attention to nat gas. Um, Futures trading does contain substantial risk and is not for every investor. Use risk capital, and this recording is for educational purposes only. I am not trying to encourage anyone to put a position on. I'm just bringing you this information as a possible consideration. The hypothetical performance disclaimer also should be noted as we are going through past charts, which does not mean that my analysis for future conditions are going to likely carry forward from past trading charts. Okay, so let's look at the market. The first thing we need to know about nat gas market is it has been down, extremely down for years, decades. So 20 years. I mean, it's been hugely down. So, and we're forming a bottom. Bottoms are tough, tough to trade bottoms. I've been trying to hit a few of these and gotten knocked out a couple of times myself trading this, but the opportunities, as you can see, are just tremendous. If you know anything about futures trading, you know that it is a directional trading opportunity market, and you can see that our one-day relative performance on that gas was up 3.62%, which I'm about to show you where it busted out of its range over the holiday uh, trading session on Friday where nobody was trading, and that's why it was likely able to bust out of that range so easily. But it's up 7.33% on the week. And one thing about futures trading is once a trend develops, that trend is going to be in place. I mean, you can pretty much rely on that. So it's already up 16.39% over the month, but don't lose heart. There is plenty more to go. Just to give you an example, ethanol traded up $43.57 from its tip to toe from in 2016. And you can come in here and take a look at the charts, and we'll look at ethanol and look at that $43. So if you look at January right here, and December, you can see that opportunity does not go straight up. It meanders around. So I guess the bulk of the move came between August and December, but we are definitely moving up in the natural gas market, and this has been a bumpy bottom for sure. Um, and we've really rallied up since November, and we're threatening these highs again. So let me take you to a look at my charts and where I'm looking at this opportunity. The first thing you notice that it did break my volatility band to the upside. That's you have to break that upper volatility band. Then you pulled back and that lower volatility held it. See? To the tick. So anytime you can get back to this volatility level is a buy now going forward, as well as a 50% retracement. And that's where this went to. So we came down, rallied up, came back into the 50%, almost 38, 50%, not quite to the 62, and now we're rallying back up. So Fibonacci's are very, I mean, the markets do technically trade inside and out of the fundamentals. And here are my first targets. But likewise on the daily, anytime I get a retracement, either to a 50%, 61.8, or my volatility band, that's where I'm going to be buying for day trading opportunities for my levels. Let me show you this V top, V bottom rather, and it's very pronounced. As soon as we get here, and I think this is where we're heading, this is going to be our V bottom, kicking us out of this area. And if you look at this on the 60-minute chart, you can see on Friday how it blasted out of this area. So we've got a very bullish signal taking us out of this range to the upside. So let's take a look. Put some more data on here. You can see this bottom came back to check it. And we are pulling off of this bottom now. So I would say that the end of the low gas is history. And here is your weekly V bottom. And we're just at the beginning of this move to the upside. I've been trying to get into this move a couple of times, and the market comes back and knocks you out. It's not been an easy ride for sure, but I do think that the volatility is very clear today, and I am expecting to be able to just day trade my way through the nat gas market to the upside going forward. And that again is my Fibonacci retracements, 50 or 61.8, or just taking trades off my volatility levels to the downside, because the best way to trade long for me is not breakouts but the pullbacks, and taking those pullbacks on my lower time frame chart to take advantage of those trades. We definitely have the weekly daily 60-15 to the upside. I'm going to be looking long and timing my market movements on these smaller time frame retracements whenever I can get pullback to those Fibonacci levels or bouncing off a prior high close, just my standard day trading methodology. So looking long nat gas, and hope we have some expanded range trading opportunities going into 2017. It certainly has a long way to go. If we take a look back at the monthly chart, as you can see, we're just at the very genesis of this new potential new trading opportunity. Thank you so much. I'll have a good day.